Since maximum allowable length of a variable name is 31 characters, an enormous number of variable names can be constructed using above mentioned rules. Thus, if we want to calculate simple interest, it is always advisable to construct meaningful variable names like PRIN, ROI, NOI to represent principal, then rate of interest and number of years. So, if we want to calculate some meaningful uh, product like rate of interest or simple interest, so variable name should be meaningful also. So here that PRIN is representing the principal. Now ROI is representing the rate of interest. Now NOI is representing number of years. So this is basically the variable names. C keywords. Keywords are words whose meaning has already been explained to C compiler or in a broad sense to computer. The keywords cannot be used as variable names because if we do so, we are trying to assign a new meaning to keyword, which is not allowed by computer. Keywords are also called reserved words. So basically keywords have meaning and they cannot be used as a variable name because we are assigning a new, if we are using a keyword as a variable name, then we are assigning in a sense a different meaning to a keyword. So keywords are special words and also called as reserved words. So there are many keywords in C. These are keywords in C. First is auto, second is break, third is case, fourth is char. So this is useful character. Now constant, CONST, const, continue, then default, do, double, else, enum, extern, float, for, go to, if, int, long, register, return, short, signed, size of, static, struct, switch, type, diff, union, unsigned, void, volatile, and while. So these are few keywords which are used in C language.